Hey, in this video, I'm reviewing a program called the AI Marketing Club by John Crestoni. If you ever thought about making money online without showing your face, this might be worth looking into. I went through the training, and in this video, I'll break down what is inside, who it's for, and whether I think it worth your time. Let's get into it. So, what exactly is the AI Marketer Club? It's a step-by-step system designed to help beginners use AI to market affiliate product online. I'm going to click right here, restart. It includes 3-hour video training that show you how to go from inconsistent random effort to confident, consistent marketer. What makes this program different is that it focuses on creating content using AI and doing it completely fearless. You don't need to be on camera, and you don't need any tech skill or experience to get started. Let me introduce John Castoni in the first module.
Hey, John Cristani here. Excited to talk to you about organic AI marketing, getting free traffic with AI generated content. Now, we're going to be going over a lot of stuff in this. First off, something about my course, right? This is a module inside of a much larger course where we're talking about everything affiliate marketing and ad related. You might be wondering what this symbol is, right? What is this rectangle with all these lines? Well, every module in my courses has a Sumerian symbol associated with it. Sumerian cuneiform was actually the first writing invented.
I'm gonna pause the video right here to keep showing you the rest of the program. You got a content creation. Also, you got posting on social media, bonus module. So this program is completely to dominate how to use AI to create affiliate product to promote online. I, like I said before, I went through this training, and this training is amazing because it explains to you step by step how to use AI, and in the second line, how to use interface, create your logo with AI, create your brand with AI, create your brand kit with AI, like this, so on, so forth, step by step. And this program is completely made for beginners. You don't need any tech skill, as I said before. And really, this is an amazing program. If you decide to check it out for yourself, I left the link in the description below. The program only costs $27, and for what you're getting, I think it is solid value. That is my affiliate link. So if you decide to grab it, I will earn a small commission, which help support the channel and let me putting out content like this. If you got any question, feel free to drop a comment below, and I will do my best to help. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.